Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be preparing a wonderful recipe which is going to be egusi with chicken, and I am going to be using water leaf in preparing this. It's going to be a wonderful soup which so many people don't know how to prepare, but it is very delicious. Using egusi and water leaf, the mixture is wow. So guys, now I am gonna be starting the procedures, and I want you to learn how to use your water leaf and melon to prepare a wonderful nice recipe. So here is an empty pot. I am gonna be pouring in palm oil inside this pot. I have here vegetable oil. You can see a good oil. See the settlement and the up. So I will be shaking this oil very well. Yeah. Your pot has to be dry. So guys, the pot is dried, and I'll be pouring in some quantity of oil inside the pot. I'll just allow that to bleach a little. Yeah, so while the pot is bleaching, I have onions. So I'll be pouring in these onions inside the pot. And now I have to pour the water leaf inside the pot. The onions is just to give it a little nice flavor. I have to stir the pot. You have to see inside of the pot. So I allow this to steam a little. That's the reason I put the onions, so that it start giving it a nice aroma. Yeah. So having done that, I'll add crayfish inside the pot. Here is my blended crayfish. Be adding it inside the pot. And also I will be rinsing my dry fish. I have this dry fish. I am not going to be piecing the dry fish, so I'll have to rinse it. I dry the dry fish myself, so I know there is no sand in it. So I will not be piecing it. Put it that way. Also, while the pot is on the fire, I'll be adding little salt to taste. That is so that the salt will blend with the water leaf and give it taste right from the bottom. Cubes of Maggi. So I'll be peeling off this and put on the pot also. You can see that I've not yet added the meat inside the pot. The meat is already steamed, that is the chicken is already parboiled, sauced. So I want this water leaf to be a little bit heated, then I'll be putting my chicken inside the pot. Gang 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 gang. So while this is steaming, I will want you to see how the pot is. You can see the face of the soup already naturally fine. Yeah, so guys, another thing is that they just increased the lockdown. They've added another 2 weeks for Nigeria, so we don't know what's going to be happening, but I'm also just feeling a little bit bad about it because we have so many people that they are sort of surviving. They do, taxi drivers, keke drivers, and now adding another 2 weeks when they've not even received something from the government is another problem. So I don't know how they are going to be surviving. May God help us in Nigeria. God should help us. And let God take away this COVID-19 so that everything can go back to normal. Yeah, so, yeah, this is steamed a bit. Good. I'll be pouring in the chicken inside the pots. Woo! My soup is gonna be delicious. Delicious. Yeah. Even with this, you can eat this like that. Yeah. Oh my word. This is delicacy in the highest order. Internet gives you wonderful recipe how to prepare delicious meal. If you love this video, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. So I'll be allowing this to heat very well, steam very well before adding water to it. Yeah, so now I'll be adding water to the pot, the required quantity of water I want. I'll stir the pot. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll allow that to steam very well now. I have to cover the pot and allow it to steam very well. You know, I've not added the melon yet. Oh my word. You can see the pot steaming very well. Now I'll be adding the melon inside the pots. Having put that, I have to stir the pots. Anything you're cooking, When you gauge the water you want, you will know the quantity of water and the quantity of melon you have. So allow this to steam very well. Now I'm not going to be covering the spots. Yeah, so if you find out that your palm oil is not enough, you can still add the quantity you want. You know, this is egusi, and egusi at times need palm oil. Correct recipe. You will now see that the soup that was not thick before is now getting set to be thick. Only the aroma. Ooh. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, so guys, if you love this video, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. Ukeme the chef, Ukeme the catfish rearer, Ukeme the livestock chicken rearer. Hey, Ukeme the catfish farmer. Every Ukeme the goat owner. Now taking you down to the chef section. You're going to be seeing how delicious this soup. The soup is becoming thick. Okay. Let me show you. Coming closer to the soup, the pot of soup. You can see how thick this soup is. Tell me. Ooh, for my subscribers, I have a wonderful dish here for you. Yeah, see what we got here. Oh, okay, man. May God bless your handwork. May God bless you. With correct obstacles all over the pots. So with this now, I'll just allow this for just a little while now, and I'll be dropping down the pot, and the soup is ready for consumption. And oh, this soup is gonna be going with correct fufu. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, so guys, I love you guys, and apart from watching, I know you are also learning how to prepare this wonderful meal. So now I'll be dishing the food into my plates. Gang, 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 gang. Pretty happen. Yeah. I want to give my subscribers night treats. Yeah, Ukeme has just finished preparing this wonderful dish for you to see. You can see how lovely it is, how nice it is. So if you love my video, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. Ukeme TV always keep you up and going, up and going, up and going. So beautiful people, that is what I got for you. Correct, very good. Here, this is the delicacy. Oh, beautiful people, this is the delicacy. Eat one, eat all. This is what I got. Sister IJ Joma, come and eat. This is a wonderful recipe. All my subscribers, come and share in the joy, in the wonderful recipe. Ooh, the pot is ready. Yeah, just off that. Yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe prepared by Ukeme TV. So yes, so I have just finished preparing this wonderful dish. I hope you love it, you really like it. All right guys, see you in my next video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.